If you support Jazz Empowers, you can help us in our mission through Amazon Smile. By purchasing your items through Amazon Smile, 0.5% of your purchase will go to supporting Jazz Empowers. The first step is to go to smile.amazon.com. Once you get there, you'll be asked to log in with your Amazon account information. Next, you'll be asked what organization you'd like to support. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and in the search bar, enter in Jazz Empowers. Jazz Empowers should be the first organization that comes up, and there should be no other organization that is titled as that. It is important to note that your donation will only come to us if you do your purchases through smile.amazon.com. Shopping through the normal Amazon website will not make a donation. Please consider supporting Jazz Empowers today through Amazon Smile.